Hello, America. My name is Roger Allen Hoover. My great uncle was the 31st President of the United States. His name was former President Herbert Clark Hoover. He was a great man and a great president, and I believe I will be the same. I'm letting you know that on Friday, the 26th of August, our YouTube channel will be up, and we will post a new video every Monday and every Friday until Election Day. The last one will be November 7th. Also, I'll let you know that November 8th, Election Day, is my birthday. The best gift you can give me for my birthday is your vote. And if you want to send a cake, please make it German chocolate. Thank you, and I look forward to your reactions and your comments on our website or on our Facebook page or on our Twitter page, what you think of our videos. Thank you very much. I look forward to your support.